You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. If you want to learn more confusing names, including from Hebrew and or Hawaiian, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Two different pronunciations. I believe the most common one in English is as Aina. Now, in Hebrew, it's a variant of Ana. Now, in Hawaiian, this means earth or land. The Hawaiian pronunciation is also Aina. Now, some may pronounce it also as Aina. Do you pronounce it Aina or simply Aina? Where are you from? Let us know in the comments too. Aina or Aina. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.